Hi, Grant. Okay. A loop? Hey, no. Good job. You getting tired? Hi, buddy. How long are you going to run? How long are you going to run? 40? Wow, good job, honey. Can you do some more pull-ups? What else do you need to do? Careful for him, please. Ella, stop. Get down right now. She's too close. Good thinking. Please be careful. Hello, monkey. Grant, you keep getting in Sissy's way. Be careful, honey, because I don't want you to cut yourself on that sharp thing right there. Okay, say goodbye.
No.
No?